Good morning students, welcome back after summer vacation. Day before yesterday already I have given some formula for the trigonometric identities. Okay. Now today we will learn how to apply this formula in a question. Okay. So for example I have taken one question in which you have to prove sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a equal to cos a. So student, in trigonometric identities you should remember one. Basically this is not a particular rule anywhere written, but when you will practice you will get lots of ideas. Okay, so whenever you see sec theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, always you try to convert or try to write in terms of sine or cos. That is the first thing that you have to go like that. Okay, because we are not knowing that which formula we have to apply. So what we will do, we will write all the terms in terms of sine and cos. So let's start proving with the LHS. This is LHS, this is RHS. So LHS equal to, it is given sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A, and this should be equal to cos A. Remember student, there are two terms, first term and the second term. This term is already written in terms of sine, so we don't need to change anything over here. Okay. Now what about this two, sec and tan? We are knowing how to write sec theta and tan theta in terms of sine and cos. So very first rule, okay, whenever you start solving any question of the trigonometric identity, most of the time you have to write the trigonometric ratio in terms of sine and cos. Okay, in terms of sine and cos. So we are knowing how to write sec in terms of cos. So we will write 1 by cos A. Reciprocal of cos is called sec. And sine, formula of tan theta in terms of sine and cos. What it is there? Already we are knowing. Sin A by cos A. Sec A in terms of cos A, 1 by cos A, and tan theta in terms of sine and cos, sine by cos. Now this one will be remain as it is. 1 minus sin A. Now this part we will solve. So denominator are cos A, denominator are same. So we will write as it is cos A. And numerator will be added directly 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A, and here it is 1 minus sin A. Nothing mentioned at the denominator, means 1. Now student, we will multiply numerator and denominator separately. So this one will be 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A by cos A into 1, it will be equal to cos A. Okay, till now, did you understand? Please, when I will send the video, you don't forget to respond me, okay? And you practice. Unless until you will practice, we cannot realize that what you are getting or what you are not getting. Okay, so what? This step, did you understand? 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Nothing mentioned, it means into sin is there. Multiply sign is there. Now, already since class 7 or 8 we are using one identity, this identity. A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. So look at that. It is, this one will be considered as A plus B into A minus B. This one will set on this identity, and this equal to, we can write A square minus B square. So instead of A, what we will consider? 1 square of 1 minus, instead of B, what we will consider? Sin square A. At the denominator, cos A. Now what will be there? A square of 1 minus, this one will be sin square A by cos A. Now 1 minus sin square A, already I have told what is its a formula. 1 minus sin square A, you will get cos square A, and at the denominator cos A. So now finally what will be there? Cos square A and cos A. At the denominator 2 times cos is coming, and at the denominator only 1 time. So we can write cos A into cos A by cos A. Cos A will cancel out. Finally what it will be there? Cos A, that is our right hand side. Okay, so student, like that when we will start solving the question of trigonometric identities, the first case you have to remember that always try to write all the terms in terms of cos and sine. I am not telling that in every question if you will convert it will be solved, but most of the question you can do like that. Okay, so this is one question that I have explained. Now one more question I will explain. Till now you pause the video and write it.